Alright guys, so here's another update on the IMU testing. So I'm going to show you first here the SparkFun 9 degrees of freedom sensor stick. You can see that here in the display right here. That's the title of this field. And I'm going to go ahead and play this and show you the roll easting from this sensor. So right now, it's showing roll. These are the settings, just the general settings in here. And this is the poll test mod of AgOpenGPS. So here's the roll easting graph. And you'll start to see something here whenever I pitch the poll. So I'm going to pause it right here. So right here you see that there's this reverse sensing for some reason, a reverse correction on the roll. So I'm not entirely sure why it's doing that. So it's given this, you can see it up here in the correction up here as well, that it's going way off and then it comes back on. So I'll go ahead and play it some more, and I go ahead and do this a couple times here back and forth, and it does it both ways. It always goes the wrong way, and I'm not moving the pole the wrong way, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute with the B&O when I use it in just a minute. So this is the SparkFun stick, and I'm going to pause this and go on to the previous video here, and this is the B&O. So we'll look at it. So same thing. See right up here is the B&O 085 from Adafruit, and same settings. Okay, and I'm going to pull the roll easting graph up. And you can see here in a minute when I start moving it back and forth that the B&O doesn't have that same wiggle when it should waggle, and it does a much better job of staying on track. It still deviates a little bit, but I think that's just going to happen. So as we go back and forth here with the B&O, it just does a much better job of tracking. I was able to get my hands on a few of those thanks to you guys for alerting everyone. They were in stock. I was able to grab a few, so I think I'm going to just build the systems that I have to build right now with the B&Os, but I may come back and do some more testing with the 9 degree of freedom stick here in the next little bit. Thanks guys. See ya.